if your Conlog meter is beeping and making some noise. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to turn off this sound and just silence your Conlog meter so that it doesn't make any noise. Now this beeping means like this. The Conlog meters have an audible alarm beeping to warn you of low credit. To turn off this alarm using the meter keypad, press and hold the backspace arrow button for 3 seconds. So it says here, press and hold the backspace arrow button for 3 seconds. Now here the backspace arrow button, make sure to press and hold it for 3 seconds and the Conlog meter will stop beeping. You can also watch this video for more detailed information.
Good day, this is for us who stay in Pretoria or who are using this type of a meter. So when the unit starts to get low, it starts to making this beep beep sound. And I know sometimes it can be annoying, so I just want to show you how you can disable it for temporary. But I know when we get to 5, somewhere there, it will start again to beep. So to disable it, you just have to press this back key. Then it's done. So now it will no longer beep. But when we get around low, somewhere around 5 or 6, it will start to beep again. Then you just have to do the same thing. You press this back key, a long press, and then you will hear one teet, and then it's done. So that's how you can disable. You can turn it off for when your units are low.